Welcome to rounding. We're going to take a few examples, look at it. As long as you pay attention and kind of think about it, it shouldn't be too bad. So we're going to start off with the number of 9,605,872 and 145,673 millionths. Millionths at the end there, so meaning the decimal place off of those. So I'm not going to spend too much time. We got the ones digit, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 600,000, and then the millions. And then we get 10 millions, and then 100 millions, and up and onwards from there. But notice the endings. DS. DS ends in the S, ends in the S, the DS, the N at the end off of those. Here we're looking at tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths, 100,000ths, and millions. So a tenth is 1 over 10. Hundredths is 1 over 100. Thousandths, 1 over 1,000. 10,000ths, 1 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 100,000ths, 1 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then a millionths is at 1 over 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. How do we know which one the tenths is? Well, let's look at the number 10. How many zeros are there? There's 1. It's 1 after the decimal point. Thousandths. How many zeros are in 1,000? 3. It's 1, 2, 3 after the decimal point. If I need 100,000ths, I write it out. How many zeros are there? There's 5. How many after the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all you got to think about with these. So we go on to the next one. We got to do some rounding. We need to round 456 and 986 thousandths, right? There's 3 of them, so it's at thousandth. We needed the hundredths place. 100. 100 is with 2 zeros. 100 has 2 zeros, so we need to round it to 1, 2. So this 6 is what's considered after that 8. 6 is more than 5, so we round that up. So we have 456.99. Move to the next one. We needed the tenths place. How many zeros does 10 have? It has 1 0, so we need to round that one. So that means we have to use this 9. We don't care about anything else that's left over here. This 9 is more than 5, so it rounds that up. So round to the tenths place is 23.1. Tenths place, 10 has 1 0, therefore I should have 1 0 after that. I need this to the tenths place. Tenths, first one, so this 3. 3 is less than 5, so it stays, so it's 0.4 tenths. Means 1 0 afterwards. Then we got the last one, thousandths place. How many zeros does 1,000 have? 1,000 has 3 zeros. So we need to go to the 1, 2, 3. So we're rounding this 5. How do we round this 5? We take a look at the 7. 7's more than 5, so it rounds it up to 6. So we have now 563,000. Oops, I put my comma in the wrong spot. That's alright. Let's rethink this. Put a comma there. Think about this again. We've got now 5,635,434, and we needed thousands, so we have 436 thousandths. Count how many zeros, go that many decimal places, look to the left. Above 5 or more, round up. 4 or less, you keep it as it is. We're rounding down off of those. Again, rounding, fairly easy to work with if you pay attention to the zeros with that thousandth that we're looking at.